We always love to eat, eat, eat. If you're a food lover like me, then this video is for you. We always love to treat ourselves because they say good food, good mood. And sometimes, di jud malikayan na maglain atong tiyan tungod sa atong gipangkaon. Apan ayaw kabalaka, kaya ang Eden Flora has officially landed in Cebu. And kaunta with Eden Flora. Satisfy your cravings and say goodbye to moody tummies. And hello, great gut health. And did you know that Eden Flora has 30 million CFU and 10 bacteria strains? Ug naa sad siya 3-layer microencapsulation technology. And lastly, it enhances natural resistance to intestinal infections. And ayaw kabalaka kaya ang Eden Flora mapalitra for only 38 pesos per capsule and 1,140 per box. Ug available ang Eden Flora sa ilang official website, Shopee, TikTok, Rose Pharmacy, and 360 Pharmacy. Ay sa Eden Flora, iba ang mabilis. And salamat sa pagtanaw.